Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another episode of Grow with Kit. So I've been out on the veg patch today. I've been planting out some things, and so I'm just going to give you a tour around and I'll show you what I've got growing. Right, so this area here is I've started another video series on starting a veg patch from scratch, and this is what we've got so far. So this was just onions and carrots. The carrots are where the string is and the onions are in between, and there was another 2 rows of carrots and another row of onions, but the dog got in here and dug this whole section out here. So I've rescued what onions I can, and where it was all dug in the middle I've just planted some Brussels sprouts, and the gap on the end there's more Brussels sprouts. So we've got 3 here and 2 little ones in between each one just as backups. So carrots, onions and Brussels sprouts in this bed. So I'll keep you updated on them. Keep an eye out for episode 3 on starting a new veg patch. I've also put the lettuce out because they were getting quite root bound in the container, so I don't know how well they're going to do because the roots are pretty tangled up and I've already damaged quite a few, so hopefully they'll be alright, but not too fast. I can sow more. The garlic along here is all doing well. The dog keeps trampling them so I've really got to try and keep the dog out of here, but they're doing well. Starting to bulb up quite nicely. These were just some giant garlic that I bought from the shop, and I planted them in modules and then planted them out here. Surprisingly enough, they're doing quite well. So I've just had a couple of spare Brussels sprouts plants, so I've just planted them there. And as you know, these are a row of potatoes along there, and then these are all potatoes as well. Obviously they're not come up yet, they've only been in there a couple of days. These are all my fruit bushes and currants and stuff. That's a raspberry there. It's doing well. It's got some flower buds waiting to come out on here, so I should get some raspberries this year. Probably not many, but never mind. That's a tayberry. This was only bought this year, but it does have a flower bud. I'm not sure if I'll get any, but if I do, that'd be good. That's gooseberry bush. That's got aphids on it. I have been picking them off, as many as I can. That's a currant, and that's a currant. And these are both bought this year. They seem to be doing okay. That's my rhubarb, which I got this year as well. That's doing well. These are some cuttings I was trying to do from a fig tree. I'm not sure if they've taken. I thought they had, but they might be alright. There's a bud there. And this one here's got a couple of buds, so you never know, they might be alright, we'll see. That's my grapevine, which I have to cut right back to transport. I thought I might have killed it, but it has got, I don't know if you can see them little red things there. their buds. So it's got a few coming out. So I think it should be okay. And these two here are my current bushes. These are about 2 or 3 years old now. We haven't really had a good harvest off them yet, but again I have to trim them back quite hard to transport them. So this year will probably be a recovery year for them. But there is a few little berries on here. We might get some more. There's a few on here as well. So we might get a few. Right, so we're at the little greenhouse now. So all that's left in here, vegetable wise, is cabbages. Doing okay, I think. Not grown cabbages before, but something's munched some of them. And beetroot seems to be doing well. Needs to plant that out soon. These are herbs, these three. This is parsley, sage and dill. They're all doing well. So they've got to be potted up at some point and put in their final position. So these are my strawberries. Hanoi is the variety. We've got 8 plants here. They seem to be doing really well. We've got a few flowers coming on these ones. On them 2 at the back there. And they seem to be doing good. Seems like they're going to be a quite big variety, judging by the size of the flowers and the leaves. I can probably take the net off soon. It was only to stop the cat digging them up when I first planted them. So this is a fig tree, which I grew from a cutting. It was outside, but when we had some frost, it killed all the new growth that was coming on it. I thought it might be dead, but I thought I'd stick it in. It's just in the outside toilet. It seems to be recovering now. It's actually got lots of new buds coming out now, so it's recovering well from the frost damage. Yeah, so we'll hopefully it'll be alright. So these are, my mum had some, she's got a grapevine, and the grapes are alright, and they have seeds in them, so she planted a few of them, and they came up, so she gave me a couple. So these are grapes grown from seed, which I didn't really know was possible. I don't know how they're going to turn out, but hopefully they'll be alright. So I'll keep you updated on these guys. Alright everyone, so that's about it for today. So I hope you enjoyed the update and the tour. I'll keep you updated on how everything goes in future episodes. Just hope that nothing eats any of the stuff that I've planted out. There's not really much I can do really, except for just chance it really. If slugs destroy the lettuces or something digs them all up, then I'll just sow more. That's the only thing I can do really. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and thanks for all your really nice comments. Thank you to all my new subscribers recently. Over 1,200 now, so that's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much for that, guys. I will catch you on the next episode. So have a great week, and I'll see you later.